Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best eye primers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have NYX Professional Eyeshadow. This professional level makeup palette features 16 highly pigmented shadows that glide onto lids and make eyes pop with color. You can use with NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Primer for bolder, longer lasting color. Each high-quality eyeshadow palette features a highly pigmented mix of finishes from matte and satin to shimmery and metallic, perfect for your skin tone. You can apply primer and build your look. At number 6 we have Maybelline Eyeshadow. The Nudes Eye Shadow Palette features 12 expertly curated shades for custom eye makeup looks. This makeup palette is perfect for creating versatile eye makeup looks. Maybelline Eyeshadow Palettes give you high pigment formula with superior blendability. Whatever your signature eye look, natural or dramatic, Maybelline helps create looks that draw eyes with a broad selection of pencil and liquid eyeliners, highly pigmented eyeshadows, iconic mascara and eyebrow makeup. At number 5 we have LA Eyeshadow. LA Girls Beauty Brick Eyeshadow Collection gives you the best of all colors to allow you to create stunning looks. The variety of colors and textures include shimmer and matte shades, making these captivating palettes very versatile to go from an everyday look to a night out. Each unique look is featured in its own luxurious glossy book with a double-ended brush and mirror inside. At number 4 we have Revlon Eyeshadow. This blendable powder eyeshadow glides on smoothly and delivers intense color for fresh, beautiful eye makeup looks. The dual-ended eyeshadow applicator has a rounded tip for an all-over wash of color and a narrow tip to define the crease. The long-wearing shadow formula lasts up to 16 hours. At number 3 we have Prism Eyeshadow. This richly toned palette features versatile shades that can be blended and layered to create endless amounts of looks. It comes with different textures: soft, smooth, matte, shimmery, pressed pearl and dazzling metallic glitters. The rainbow-inspired hues and finishes ranging from sheer color high shine glitter top coats to entrancing ultra-reflective metallics. At number 2 we have Belin Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow palette will take you through every season, providing you with every color of eyeshadow you need. The matte and shimmer eyeshadows, long-lasting, easily blendable eyeshadows that can be applied wet or dry for many different looks. It is suited for different occasions like casual, salon, party, wedding, etc. At number 1 we have Honest Eyeshadow. Serve endless looks with this pigment-rich eyeshadow palette starring 10 velvety shades in a range of matte shimmers and satins. It's effortlessly create color gradients and perfectly smoky looks with blendable hues. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best eye primers for your need.